Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here doing the LDA name giveaway. I had a kit yesterday I showed you, and you were able to enter your name below the video from yesterday, not this video, and I would pick a name from all your suggestions, and I had a few written down. I had Torn Memories, Faded Florals, Botanical Remnants, Torn Edges, and Torn Elegance. And I was talking to my husband about something that has to do with the computer I was helping in, and then I said, well, you can help me when I say, so I described the kit, and then I told him the 4 names or the 5 names that I had, and then he said, no, it has to be something with this or that. And then we have 2 names left, Torn Elegance and Torn Edges. And I said, okay, which one do you prefer? Which one is the most suitable for you? And he said Torn Edges. So the name of the kit is Torn Edges, and it really had to be Torn Edges because I have to explain really quickly. I was doing this, I make this and I pop it onto every page, but for the Etsy store you have to put this over each page too, otherwise people will take screenshots and have your kit for free. So you have to put something over it, like a watermark, so people can't use it the wrong way. And I messed up, and suddenly I had 26 pages, and I was thinking, oh, okay, but I have this everywhere. That's why this is covered up, because it says +1 page, because on all the other pages was only this logo with 25 pages on it. So I went on and then I looked and I saw, oh, I did something completely wrong. I don't know what I did, but I had a copy paper with page number 26. So there were only 25 pages. So I thought, okay, I'm going to cover this up because my printer was saying you have to refill your ink. But then I did this and then I thought, oh no, I need a really good image to show you the promo sheet. So I printed again. And yeah, my printer really needed new ink. It's all purple. But this one was already ripped. So I have the torn edges over here. And I glued it together. And hopefully you will forget this. So, because it's broken. This one is torn. So I thought, well, it's a good name for a good kit. It had to be this way. Quickly going to show you the pages again, simply for me, because I need this under my Etsy listing. A link so people can see the whole set of papers. This one is tracing paper. I'm really loving the sound of tracing paper, even with the thing on my ear. And thank you, by the way, for everybody who entered. And I have to say something about the name that I picked. I wrote down the names, but I forgot to write down the names, the people who entered the name. So if you are the one, this is on vellum, by the way, if you are the one that suggested Torn Edges, please send me a private message in Messenger or an email saying you are the one. I can check underneath the video, so that's okay. And you will receive this kit for free. And this will also be listed in my Etsy. And since all the items in my store are with 30%, I do want to do something extra with this kit. So it's going to be listed with 30% off. So if you want it, you can have it. with a little discount on it. And now we have the ephemera pieces. These ones are not the one with the logo on, because I didn't have time to print everything again, and besides my printer was not ready. And this one I'm going to use myself, if I'm going to use it, to make a journal one day when I finish the other ones, maybe. And we have the tickets, and then these elements, and then the torn pieces. These are absolutely my favorite ones. Then the smaller version. I have everything on my desk. I'm very late. I worked in the garden today. We had new flowers planted, cleaned the garden front and back. This is printed on tracing paper, and I just love this. This could make a really fun ephemera piece. And this is on regular paper. Well, not regular, sort of presentation paper. It's a little bit more sturdy. It's more smooth. Yeah, all the other items, people ask me, oh, your prints are so beautiful. Do you have special paper? Yes, I have regular coffee paper. That's the only paper I use for my regular sheets. This is printed on regular paper. This is printed on A4 size. This is printed on normal settings, not photograph settings, nothing like that. I didn't do that on these papers either. Never. I never put it on photo. If you print on photo settings, it can make things more blurry, not as crisp. So I don't do that. If you want a better print, you could better invest in a paper like presentation paper, so it lifts up the colors, but you don't have to print in high resolution colors or in photo colors. You simply don't. I sometimes print these in minimum settings, color, and then in minimum settings. It looks almost the same like this. And on here, I printed this one a second time because there was a little something on here, and you see I ran out of ink, so this is a little bit different. So this is the one you have to see. But yeah, torn edges. This is everything went wrong with this kit. It's really, well, okay, it's a struggle, but I'm there. I have it. We have a winner. Congrats to the winner. I don't know who the winner is, so please announce yourself to me. Make yourself known. I can check the videos, of course, but send me an email. And thank you everybody for joining in. And this will be listed in my Etsy, hopefully today. I will do my best, and it will be with 30% off, like all the other items, digitals in my shop. And well, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like it a lot, maybe you want to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. Leave me a comment. I love receiving comments. I try to answer all the comments, but it's not always possible, especially today. Not sure if you can see. No, it's gone. This was all black. I was in dirt, and yeah, I was doing a lot of things, but we have a very flowery garden at the moment, so that's fun. It was a good day today. Yeah, I'm going to wrap this up because I have to upload this on YouTube so you can see who the winner is. And it's getting late over here, so after that I'm going to bed. Workday tomorrow. See you the next time. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.